So today we had a few questions about how to replace the hinges that come stock with our airplanes. So I'm going to use a stab from a crashed airplane to show how to do this. And the first step is I'm going to use just a plain razor saw to cut off the hinges. And we still have the seal from before, so we'll just pull that out and remove. We need to remove the parts of the plastic hinges that are still in there. Like that. And then we're going to use a brass tube, a piece of brass tube. It's about 3 inches long, 7/32 inside diameter is what I use. And we're going to need to sharpen, the tip here. So I use a Dremel with a cutting wheel, and we need to cut some teeth. Now the teeth are cut at an angle. I will try to do a close-up picture for this to show that it's cut at an angle so it has a bite while it's turning with a cordless. We need to let the teeth do the cutting so we don't put any pressure. If we put pressure, it's going to push the hinge into the control surface and we'll have something rattling in there forever. So that's what we'll do. There you go. There's the hinge. So it's all the same. I don't need to do all of them. I'll just show how to plug the hole and put in a new hinge. So now to plug the hole, I start with a 1/4 inch piece of stringer. That's the easiest one to find. Every hobby shop has a 1/4 inch stringer, and we'll just round the corners to be able to insert it in the hinge hole, and then we'll go from there. So there we go. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's soft balsa and it will compress. As long as we can insert it, we'll see it in place and we'll be good to go. So there you go, it's round enough. You can sort of roll it in your fingers. Try it in there. It fits. I generally just put the piece in there. I use thin CA to wick it in. Glue this piece in there. Then I follow with some medium CA. If, just in case there's any little gap. If you want to take more time, you can use Gorilla Glue. It will expand and have a better seal. I just want to do it quick so I can save time. Little kicker to go even faster. It's good. It's almost good. So now we can cut the excess wood. There you go. A little sanding. Okay. So now all we have to do is drill a new hole, and I use a little center punch to find the center of the dowel. I do it by eyesight. It's really not hard to do, to find where the center of the bevel is, like right there. That's just to mark it so I can drill in the right spot. There we go. The drill size is 3/16. There we go. And there's the new hinge. Very simple.